Yeah, it's Ewokeempire. We back with another video.
Yo, we back with another video.
All right, you guys, welcome back to another episode of Ewokeempire.
Posting videos every single day. Boom.
I think I'm going super sane. It was something like a genocide before they ate their food up. They prayed up, said what they was thankful for before they.
All right, you guys, welcome back to another episode of Ewokeempire. And today is another special episode for you guys. What? Why? I'll tell you why. The reason behind it, because we back home, baby. We in Atlanta, Georgia with it. Okay. Right? Okay, you didn't see that one coming, did you, right? Yes, sir. I know you see a familiar face from Minnesota, though. Yeah. That nigga Marcus came down. Woo-hoo. Yes, sir. We out here. Y'all niggas stay tuned what we about to do tonight. Woo! Oh, I know you see it. That boy Rock back there. Tavis, Marcus. You already know, man. Your boy Keem about to show up in a little bit.
Hospitality down here. Man.
Oh, you tried the new one?
I'm about to, yeah. Juicy Cabre.
Today's episode is brought to you by IPA. Juicy Cabre. Sante, take a shot from me, all right, y'all? Whoa. Yes, sir. You already know what it is. It's another episode of Ewokeempire, and we lit, baby. You already see that boy Nick about to go up here. Woo-wee.
So listen, we here. You feel what I'm saying? You deal what I'm saying? Listen, my nigga done came from Minnesota. We back in Atlanta with it. You deal what I'm saying? We bowling at Comet, and I'm finna whoop his ass. No kizzy.
Put money on it. A dollar sign. Put money on it. A dollar sign. Dollar view. Whoa. It's hot. Cause I know victory is sweet. Woo! That win. Swole got 122. Come again? Oh. But we're not talking about the first one.
First game, though, nigga.
Nah, we weren't talking about the first game.
Yeah, you got your ass smoked, nigga. John smoked.
The first game was called practice, nigga. I still won. I wish. Hey, boys.
It was 16, 19.
You already
but
know.
I'm watching you trusting.
We back in the A, alright?
Shit, it's 2020. Keep your enemies close and keep your friends at a distance. 'Cause you can't trust these motherfuckers looking up.
That black on black is stupid, though. You see the orange eye on it, though? Don't sleep on the orange eye. That'll be hard, too, babe. Don't sleep.
These are the facts, so let me tell you something about Thanksgiving. The Mayflower came over to Plymouth, man.
Damn, he said 6? Bro, we heard a lot of shots, though, bro. All I know is we got it there.
Dude, I was about to go in the store and go in the bag. You took off.
I don't know what store that was. Damn, bro. Tell me why there was just a shooting up in this bitch. Hell to the. Out of here. They don't even know there was a shooting, bro. They're tripping.
This video with another banger. Y'all hit that like and subscribe, but make sure y'all comment down below. You hear me? Yes, sir.